Control number 44990, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Melody Sarah, 25 years old, single. I'm the youngest among 8 siblings. I have 2 brothers and 5 sisters.
What is your educational attainment?
I graduated senior high school in Flores Integrated School
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong offers high salary to domestic helpers, so I can give better support for my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW? Where? What kind of work you had?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person? What can you do for elderly?
Feed them, change diaper, prepare their foods and medicines.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children? What can you do for babies?
Yes, ma'am. Give them bath, feed them, play playing with them, and changing diaper and clothes.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I do cooking, baking, tutoring, and sewing.
Can you cook? What foreign dishes can cook?
I can cook Chinese food like vegetable, rolls, chop suey, and fried rice, ma'am. And also I do cook Filipino food like adobo menudo, and also Italian food like carbonara and spaghetti.
Describe yourself as a housemaid. What are your characteristics that your employer will like you?
I'm a hardworking, honest, and responsible.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They, my relationship with my previous employer is good. They treat me like their own family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
If ever you will choose me, ma'am, sir, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract more than. Thank you and God bless.